Looking for your new go-to boba spot? Check out Hiccups Kitchen for an unbeatable combo of refreshing drinks and crave-worthy bites. From creamy milk teas packed with chewy boba to fruity slushies bursting with flavor, every sip is a treat. But it doesn't stop there. Hiccups serves up a full menu of Asian fusion dishes like sizzling, garlic noodles, savory pho, and crispy wings that will have you coming back for more. The cozy modern vibes make it the perfect hangout spot for you and your foodie crew. So why wait? Grab your boba bestie and head over to Hiccups Kitchen today.